What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your online status in WhatsApp. So if you want to do that, first of all go to WhatsApp. From here go to three dot menu and then go to setting option. Now you can see privacy option. Click here and first one is last seen and online. Click to this option. Now you can see two variant option. First one is who can see my last scene. You can select anyone from here, everyone, my contact except and nobody. If you select to nobody, nobody will see you in your online status. And then who can see when I'm online. You can also change this one. But remember, if you don't share when you were last seen or online, you won't be able to see when other people were last seen on online. So I think this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.